My name is April. I'm from the U.S. I'm here in Yogyakarta visiting the ISAIs. Is that right? ISAIs? I've been learning a little bit about Islam in Indonesia and about the work that ISAIs is doing here. I'm very interested in the team here, the staff at the university and this program. It's really cool, the work they're doing to explore what it means to be a moderate and open Islamic community, also accepting to others, to kind of live in agreement and disagreement at the same time. I'm excited to keep learning more and have more discussions with the staff here and the volunteers, and I think it's really beautiful what's happening with the interfaith community.